It's been an amazing experience, to be frank, considering that this is not my background and this is has nothing to do with what I do presently. But then I have a future prospect of breaking into the corporate world, and this has set my foundation right, to be honest. I would honestly recommend this program for anybody who has interest in corporate finance. The reason being that there's a thin line between the two of them. That's corporate finance and project finance. And having a deep understanding of this can actually help with your efficiency, even if you're working under corporate finance. So it doesn't have to be that you are strictly working under project finance to come for this bootcamp.